Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. You should say who he/she is. When did he/she make the decision? What decision did he/she make? Why was it a good decision? And explain how you felt about the decision. My cousin Rohan is someone I know who recently made a wise choice. He is a dedicated and aspirational person who constantly considers his options well before making significant decisions. He recently made a choice that enhanced his general well-being and prospects for the future in addition to altering his career route. About 6 months ago, while he was having difficulties at his job at a big company, he made this decision. He was unhappy with his work-life balance despite having a well-paying job. He was frequently overworked, frustrated, and unfulfilled because his employment did not match his true interest. He ultimately made the decision to leave his corporate job and launch his own digital marketing company online after months of deliberation and consultation with friends and family. It's never easy to leave a secure position to pursue something unknown, so the choice was audacious. But he was confident in his abilities because he had been studying digital marketing as a side hobby for a while. He started providing freelancing services after taking a chance and investing in several online courses. In just a few months, he was able to establish a solid clientele and begin making more money than he had in his prior position. More importantly, he can now work whenever he wants, which has greatly improved his mental health and decreased his stress levels. This, in my opinion, was a wise choice since it guaranteed his financial security while enabling him to pursue his love. Rohan's choice demonstrated that anyone can succeed in their chosen sector with the right preparation and perseverance, despite the fact that many people are afraid to take such chances. In addition to making him happy, his change in career encouraged many members of our family to follow their true passions. For my part, I'm thrilled and proud of him. I've learned from his choice that occasionally taking measured chances can result in better prospects. It also helped me realize that having a fulfilling career is just as vital as having money. His tale inspires me to never settle for anything that does not make me happy and to be receptive to new opportunities. All things considered, I believe Rohan made a great choice, and I genuinely respect his bravery and tenacity. His story demonstrates that happiness and success can result from pursuing one's passion. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.